coughing and irritation in your throat and lungs can be incredibly painful and bothersome. It can be a sign or symptom of a systematic issue, or it can just be an annoying cold. But whatever the case, I'm here today to give you a powerful, immune-boosting juice that always gives me immense relief. It's my grandmother's favourite immune-boosting recipe, and all I ask is that you come back here and give me a like for sharing it. This powerful juice booster will instantly provide relief, and will also simultaneously aid in your body's ability to heal and protect itself against invaders for the long run. It's a simple 5 ingredients that are raw and from the earth. And as we now know, these are backed with an incredible amount of scientific research that ranges from lowering your cholesterol to improving your gut bacteria to soothing your throat and killing your cough. I'm not a doctor. Please see the disclaimer below. The first powerful ingredient in this juice is ginger. Ginger is an incredible source of B vitamins, manganese, magnesium, potassium, and calcium. The skin also has some nutrients, but in lesser concentrations. Ginger also contains compounds called gingerols and chargols, which have anti-inflammatory properties, and in several studies that have been shown to help with joint pain and arthritis. However, the most well-known benefit of ginger is for an upset stomach or nausea. And if you've ever experienced the joy of being pregnant, you'll likely agree with that. Some other popular studies that show promising results for ginger are related to lowering cholesterol and blood pressure. So not only does it act as anti-inflammatory and analgesic to heal your sore throat and respiratory issues, it helps your heart and gut as well. Truly powerful and so yummy. The next ingredient is pineapple. If a pineapple were a personality type, you might picture it as someone lounging on the beach on an eternal vacation. But while this fruit has the tendency to be dismissed, it's actually a powerful force when it comes to your respiratory system. That's because pineapple contains what's known as bromelain. These are a group of enzymes that have been shown to have anti-inflammatory and mucolytic properties. Mucolytic simply means that it has the ability to break up mucus, something that's key when you're suffering from a respiratory ailment. One study that was published in the peer-reviewed journal Life looked deeper into the health benefits of bromelain as derived from pineapples. What they found was that bromelain not only boosts your immune system in general, but has antibacterial properties, can improve the absorption of antibiotics, and can even help prevent some forms of cancer. Because of this, pineapple makes up the base of this juice, and I bet you can see why. For a single serving, you'll want about 1 cup of fresh juice. The next ingredient is turmeric. If you've watched our other videos, you'll probably be familiar with some of the health benefits of turmeric by now. If you haven't, let me catch you up to speed. Turmeric is considered one of the most powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant plants out there. This is primarily because it contains a compound called curcumin. Curcumin has been shown to have antiviral effects, have the ability to fight off inflammation in your body, and even reduce fever and fatigue. An article published in the journal Food, Science and Nutrition even recommended it as a potential treatment against respiratory diseases like COVID. Another fun fact, piperine, which is found in black pepper, increases turmeric's bioavailability and the amount that is able to be absorbed by your body by up to 2,000%. So for an added benefit, add a dash or 2 of black pepper to your juice. One last note before we move on. If you're on a blood thinning medication, check with your doctor before including turmeric as part of this juice. Okay, the next superfood is lemon. The health benefits of lemons have been well established, They've been shown to promote heart health, reduce your risk of getting cancer, and improve your overall digestive health. But they're included in this recipe due to their large amount of vitamin C. While oranges are thought to be a vitamin C superfood, and they are, lemons actually have them beaten. Whereas 1 cup of orange slices contains about 95 milligrams of vitamin C, the same quantity of lemons contains 112 milligrams. And this is very important when it comes to your respiratory health. A study published in the journal Nutrients, for instance, found that 200 milligrams of vitamin C per day could help treat both the common cold and pneumonia. The study also found that a daily intake of anywhere from 100 to 200 milligrams of vitamin C could prevent future infections. For this recipe, you'll need the juice of 1 lemon, though you can add a second if you want it extra tangy. Honey. If you're looking to heal your throat and tame a cough naturally, there's no better home remedy than honey. A 2010 study, for instance, looked at the effects of honey versus typical cough medicines and antihistamines on children who had coughs due to upper respiratory infections. What the researchers found was that a 2.5 milliliter dose of honey was more effective than cough medicine and antihistamines. Adults also reap similar effects, although the recommended dose is slightly higher, at 1 to 2 teaspoons. Another study published in the journal Molecules found that honey has strong antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects, can fight off bacteria, and even help prevent cancer. So the very last step in this powerful juice is to add 1 to 2 teaspoons of honey, mix it up, sip, and enjoy. If you've enjoyed this, please consider subscribing as we continue to make content to help you live longer, happier, healthier lives.